I noticed that many sellers make these mistakes. Their A plus content is just heavy text, no product details and boring. And guess what? Buyers skip it. Because no one has time to read text. That's not the only problem here. Your A plus should be eye-catching and informative so that shoppers understand the features, benefits, and why should they buy that. Remember, A plus can convert and increase your sales. So what should you do? You should recreate your bad A plus content into something marvelous. How? That's exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. So, next time a buyer clicks your product, they buy your items. This image tells us about the benefits like optimized your health, unleash your athlete mode, so and so. But the problem is to find the benefits, a shopper needs to stop and read. The purpose of A plus content is to show the product clearly, its benefits, how to use it, and all the important information about the item. On online shops like Amazon, buyers cannot touch or see the product in person. So your A plus content needs to help them understand the product well, compare it with others, and make a confident buying decision. For the text, you already have titles, bullet points, and descriptions. In these areas, text help indexing and ranking. But text on image do not have high indexing. So what's the point? Keep it simple. Short the text with visuals like iconography. In this image, you see all the benefits without reading anything. That's what you should do in your A plus content. Okay, let's move to the first listing. So this is the first banner they use and you see only the brand name. It's simple and nice. But they could have included a product image as well or something that better represents their brand. Let me show you a good example. This one is better. Here they add their product highlights the brand name and also you get an idea what's inside the bottle. They added the trust badge. They say this is the #1 doctor recommended brand. Also, this text, it can boost shopper trust when they found that the brand is the most trusted brand. So instead of just adding brand name, which I would say waste of space, using lifestyle images with brand names is more important. Okay, we already talk on these modules, try to use less text. In this third module, this scrollable text help indexing. Though I prefer not to use this type modules, this middle image, they add some benefits, but it's hard to read. Because of this scrollable text, the image takes less space, so what's inside this image are hard to see. Same goes for the third one here. They add iconography but hard to read. However, if you see this one, only text they use but it's not text heavy. You can see the product feature as well. Also adding video is great. It helps customer understand the product better by showing it is in action. This makes the listing more engaging and can increase buyers' confidence. Now, this is a super helpful module. That is the Q&A module. Shopper can quickly find the answer to their questions without having to scroll through endless reviews and comments. This not only saves time but also improves the overall shopping experience by providing clear, concise, and reliable information right where they need it. And the comparison chart, it's a must. Whether you are using premium or basic A+, it helps shoppers quickly compare your product with similar ones. See the difference here. You can discover other items you offer, which can lead more cross-sells. So some of the modules you should implement on the A+ content like Image Carousel. It's basically a sliding gallery that lets shoppers browse multiple product images without leaving the page. Video modules, Q&A module, etc. But you will find this on Premium A+ modules. For that, go to Seller Central, open the hamburger menu. Now advertising. Here click on A+ Content Manager. Now when you click this page opens and here is a Premium A+. But if you don't see this here, that means you are not eligible. But it's simple, easy thing to do. All you need to have a brand registered with Amazon, a published brand story, and a minimum number of approved A+ content. Anyway, A+ content is all about showing the product in the best light. And to put it in the best light, you have to properly utilize the modules. Unlike this one, this only added 4 modules, whether you can add up to 7 in both basic and premium A plus content. Using 7 modules gives you extra space to showcase more information. So how you align 7 modules? We Ecomclips follow this strategy based on the products. However, the core key strategy is the same for both basic and the premium A plus module. In both, we utilize all 7 modules. In the first module, we focus on highlighting the product, its name, and using the brand logo. Second module highlights product features or unique selling points. Third, fourth, and fifth modules, we focus on product benefits, advertises, and how the product differ from others. Maybe add some trust badge and showcase the testimonials, etc. At 6, we use a strong call to action banner with lifestyle images. And 7 module will always be the comparison chart for cross-selling opportunities. Premium A Plus content has more options to showcase your item more creatively. You have so many exciting options to showcase your products. You can use a carousel to display multiple images, allowing customers to easily swipe through and see different angles of colors. Plus, you can add interactive hover hotspot modules, comparison charts, and large image on the detail page to really capture the attention. You can even include videos to give a dynamic view of your product in the action. So why not take advantage of all amazing features in Premium A Plus content? It is a fantastic way to engage your customers and showcase your product like never before. I know that managing a business and focusing on A plus content can be a hassle. That's why it's smart to seek expert advice. Luckily, this is one of our specialties. We can help you create engaging A plus content that showcase your products beautifully and attract customers. With our expertise, you can save time and effort while getting the results you want. Let us take the stress off your shoulders so you can focus on what you do best, running the business. For any query, email us at info@ecomclips.com. We will get back to you. That's a wrap up. I hope you liked this video, and if that helped you, give a like and comment. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay curious. Peace.